Big buddy. Today we are grooming Chewy, and he is a very nervous St. Bernard that has been turned down by previous groomers. Hopefully I'll be able to get him groomed today. Obviously he's outside because he would not go in my shower. So let's see how this goes. Okay buddy, I'm gonna turn this on. It's just water, okay? Just water, yeah, good boy. Good boy. It's okay. It's okay. Good boy, Chewy. Okay, so he's not afraid of water. That's good. So far, anyway. Good boy. It's okay, it's okay. Good boy. It's okay, buddy. It's okay, buddy. Okay, it's just water. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. The previous groomers just said that he was very, very hyper, and in being so hyper, he was difficult to manage. He's only a year old, and he's about 160 pounds. Good boy, Chewy. The owner said that he would be extremely grateful if I was able to get him done today, so we're going to do everything that we can to get him done, of course. Oof. He got sprayed by a skunk recently, and the owner bathed him in his backyard, but he said that he has grass, no deck or patio, so he got very, very muddy when trying to bathe him outside. Okay, buddy, good boy. Good boy. Just water and soap. People always ask me why I use shoes when I'm bathing the dogs, and my shoes are waterproof. That's why. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, we need another canister. You are very dirty. We do have to wash your face, though. Come here. Two canisters of Nasty Critter, and now we are doing a canister of deshedding. Okay, you can tell that he is not going to want to have his face washed. You may not exit. You may not exit. No, you cannot leave. Am I allowed to give you a scrub? Is that okay? Good boy. Good boy. You have a big mat in your tail. Hopefully I'll be able to get that out after. Good boy. Yeah. Good boy. We're shedding a lot. Obviously, I'm not going to be able to get him on the table. I'm going to have to blow dry him on the ground for sure. It's okay, buddy. You're very nervous. I know, you're very nervous. You don't like all this. What's going on? I should also note that he is sedated. Sir? Sir? You may not jump the fence. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Good boy. Yes, good boy. I know, you've got a big honking head. Come here. Come here. Hey, don't do that. That was rude. Don't do that. That wasn't nice. Didn't like having his ears touched, I see, which could be a problem because he has some big mats behind there that need to be shaved out. Look, a rainbow. Buddy, I need to rinse your face. It's okay. Good boy. Oh, that's not. Come on. No, you cannot go up here. Come down. You're going to break that. You're going to break that. That bench is not meant for you. It's okay. No, no, no. Stay down. It's just water. Good boy. Look, you're shedding a lot of hair. Good boy. Good boy. Very good boy. No, no, stay down. It's almost over. It's no, you cannot go up there. It's okay. Okay, it's over. Relax. Yes, I'm trying to dry you off, but only if you're nice about it. Now you're nice. Hey? You like the towel dry? Towel dry is okay? So as we saw outside, Chewy does not like having his face touched. So I do not think that he is going to do well if I try to put a happy hoodie on him. It might help him with the dryer, but I do think that it's going to make him very afraid. And I have to be able to shave the mats out of his ears, so I don't want to make him too scared in his head area because I want to be able to get that done. I do have some concerns that he is going to try to jump the wall when I turn this dryer on, which is definitely a problem because I don't want him to hurt himself. So we'll see how this goes, but he is definitely not a dog that I can put on my table, unfortunately. That's even more dangerous. Okay, just air. Please don't jump. Look how much you're shedding. Look how much you're shedding. It's okay. It's okay, Chewy. It's okay. You're a blowing coat, bro. It's okay, Chewy. No. Okay. Okay, Chewy. No, don't bite my hand. You're shedding a lot, bro. Are you going to take a poop? Looks like you're looking for a spot to poop. Please don't poop. Good boy. Okay. No. I'm going to take a poop on me. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it, and that's why I had a bag on me. Thank you. Thank you for your service. Appreciate it. Go away, I gotta pick up your poop. At least it wasn't wet, right? At least it wasn't wet. You do not bite. Yep. He's gonna figure it out. Hey, hey, buddy. No. No. You're a big pain in my butt. Big pain. Big pain you are. Come here. Come here. Good boy. Okay, I'm attaching him to the tub. No, I'm not. He just sent the tub with him. I can't have him continuously jumping at the gate because he can really hurt himself. Let's see what happens if I do this. Okay, if I do this, he can't reach the gate. However, he might be able to just pull out of this noose. So let's see what happens now. Okay, so far this has been the best means of controlling him, but I cannot fully dry him with that dryer because he's panicking too much. So I am going to dry him with this, although it doesn't reach far enough and I don't have an extension cord. Let's see what he does with this. Just a small dryer. Are you okay with that one, or are you going to do the same thing? It's okay. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, so he is okay with the small handheld dryer. Obviously, it's going to take me 4,000 years to dry him with a small handheld dryer, which means that he is not going home fully dry today, and that's okay. What I am going to try to do is shave that matting behind his ears. It's okay. It's okay. Good boy. Good boy. Can I get rid of this for you? Let's turn this on. Good boy. This needs to be done. No, 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 no. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. sure that's gonna feel very nice to have that removed. But you gotta let me. Very good boy. No, 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 no. He's very nervous, very unsure, not happy about the situation at all. Yeah, those mats are really big, buddy. The problem is that I can't muzzle him for doing this because the muzzle sits behind the ears, so I won't actually be able to get to the mats with him wearing a muzzle. So he has to let me do it, or it will not get done, basically. And I cannot do this with scissors because it is way too tight to the skin. I know that it feels good to have it touched because he makes this face when I'm doing it, so it's obviously very itchy and uncomfortable, but the clipper noise and vibration is scaring him too much to let me do it. No, no. Are your ears infected? Ugh, great. I don't know what to do with you anymore, bud. I really don't. I really wanted to help this owner out in getting his dog groomed because I know it's something that he desperately wanted done for the well-being of his dog. And of course, I don't like letting people down. However, there are things that need to be done. For example, the matting behind his ears. There's also some matting in his back end. Let's see if he'll let me do that. That has to be done. No, he's going to sit. For his health and well-being. And if he doesn't allow someone to do it, then the only other solution is to have him put under anesthesia because remember, he is sedated right now. Have him put under and then have it done because I don't know that it is safe to do without that. Now, to say that this dog would actually bite me, I can't say that for sure. I can't say that he wouldn't, and I can't say that he would. I just tried to put the largest muzzle that I had on him, and it doesn't fit. So I don't have one that will unfortunately fit his size. I don't really know what else I can do here that is gonna work out. I wish that I could shave these mats, but he just will not, he will not allow it. Not let me do it. They are huge. Like, look at the size of them. Hey, no, no. Why? I just want to shave these out, buddy. I would feel a lot better. I am going to, I think, give him the best brush that I can. And after that, unfortunately, I don't think there's much left I can do with him today. At least he had a bath and a brush. But the owner will either have to have him sedated to have those areas shaved, or he is going to have to consider enrolling him in some type of training. He is only 1 year old, to get him used to being touched, and hopefully he'll be able to get grooming done in the future. Let's see what happens if I go shave his paw. His nails are overgrown too, very, very bad. Grown into the paw pad. As soon as I turn the clipper on. Hey, hey, you're okay. It's okay, buddy. It's okay, bud. Good boy. Shh. Look, look, look. Good boy. Very good boy. Good boy. Yeah, what a good dog. What a good boy you are. You're a good boy. I know you don't like it. You don't like it. Good boy, though. Good boy. No, no barking in my face. Stay where you are. Hey, hey. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. No, don't bite my hand, okay? No, no, no. You wanna go for a car ride? You wanna go for a car ride? You wanna go for a walk? You wanna go for a walk? No. kind of worked. Okay. We got that mat off. Look at this chunky thing. What about the other one? Okay, can I rub that area now? Look, come here. Come here, can I rub that area? Make it feel better? Look, it's okay. Look. Yeah. Yeah, see? See? That's what I thought. That's what I thought. Yeah, you're figuring out that I'm doing it. Do not bite me. Woof. Woof. You have huge mats in your back end. Huge, huge, and they're gonna hurt if I don't get them out. Yes, yes. Okay? You don't have to be scared of me. Yes, you don't have to be scared of me or the clipper. I can't show this on social media because it won't let me, but he is bleeding, not because I cut him, but because I think he smashed his tooth up against his lip trying to get out of this area. And so that tells me that this is no longer safe for the dog and it's time to end the grooming. So when the owner arrives, I'm gonna see if he can hold the dog, and I could try to shave the mats out of his back end and the mat behind his ear. I think clipping his nails is not going to be possible, and his nails are his dew claws, not all of his nails, so his dew claw is overgrown into his paw pad and does need to be removed. So if I can do this with the owner, great. If not, then I will have to recommend he sees a vet. Thank you guys for watching. I apologize that I was not able to get this groom done today. You are a bad boy. You are a bad boy. Yeah, I know, you're just scared. You're just scared, it's okay. Yep, sit, please sit. Okay.
I know.
No, don't sit, don't sit. I just did him on the ground, which is fine. I bathed him out here, couldn't put him in the shower, which is fine. But ultimately, all we really need to do is what needs to be done. Everything else is just aesthetically pleasing, which is not a necessity, right?
That's good boy. That's good boy. Good about it. Okay. Very good. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. Almost done. Almost there, buddy.
Just want to feel it to see how much is left.
Wow, that's a big one. It's even bigger than I thought.
The other one was bigger.
Good boy.
Okay, let go of your hand for a second. Nope, nope, nope. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, lay down if you like. You lay down.
That's good boy.
Lay down.
That's good boy. That's good boy. I know.
Watch your hand.
Yep.
It's okay.
Don't worry about cutting me.
Yeah, I don't want to cut you.
I was gonna say, don't worry about it. I can take a cut.
Okay.
I know. Oh, what a poor baby. She's so mean.